Oh, please don't go in the water. Fuck. Fuck. Honestly, we're gonna club up. We're gonna go 8. I felt like 8 was the move the whole time. Hate that. I've lost like 4 balls already. Man, nothing about that swing felt good. The swing feels foreign. It feels like speaking another language right now. And now the wind dies. No way. No way! We're taking a drop up there. Because that's just... 2 in the water? No excuses. 2 balls. 2 like colored balls that I'm really happy about. That I liked. I just found 2 balls like right here on this wall. I don't know where the fuck they come from. Anyways, that was drop... Hit 1, drop 2. Hit 3. Into the water again. Drop 4, hit 5. Drop 6. Hitting triple right here. Dude. Oh, I'm playing so good. Wow, that was just insane amount of loft. We had 57 yards there, 60 degree. We're falling apart, baby. Yeah, that was just a bad shot. So if that was 7, that'd make this 8. Man, didn't even get over the water. What a joke. Okay, so here we've got 17 yards. Bite. Bit. I feel like that was a good follow through. I'm just playing scared, kinda. Alright, so that was... Shit, I don't even know. We're gonna have to count this up. This is like for 9 or 10. Absolute blow up hole. Yeah, I was just thinking how it's like... Golf is crazy like that. Like the round I just played. Best round of my life last week at Rooster. Like 10 pars, was feeling it. Also, 7 of them came on the back, so just sit back, relax, and wait for the show. And then this, so far, this has not been my best stuff. Oh my god, that, jeez.